Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about, the game-changing Dyson V15 Detect cordless vacuum cleaner. If you're tired of spending countless hours cleaning your home and never really getting all the dirt and dust, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we dive deep into the amazing features of this incredible vacuum that's about to revolutionize your cleaning routine. The Dyson V15 Detect is not just a vacuum cleaner, it's a technological marvel. Equipped with laser dust detection, this vacuum cleaner can identify and display the size and amount of dust particles on its LCD screen in real time. You'll be amazed to see the hidden dust revealed under your furniture or in hard-to-reach corners. The heart of the Dyson V15 Detect is its powerful Hyperdymium motor, which spins at an astonishing 125,000 RPM, providing unparalleled suction. It effortlessly lifts dirt, debris, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors, leaving your surfaces spotless. Cleaning with the Dyson V15 Detect is a smart experience. Its DLS, dynamic load sensor, technology automatically adjusts the motor speed and suction power based on the surface it detects, optimizing cleaning performance and battery life. Breathe easier with the Dyson V15 Detect's advanced whole machine filtration system. Capturing 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, this vacuum cleaner ensures that allergens and pollutants stay trapped inside, providing cleaner air for your family. Dyson has designed the V15 Detect with user convenience in mind. Its ergonomic handle, lightweight body, and 360-degree swivel make maneuvering around furniture effortless. Plus, the hygienic point-and-shoot bin emptying system lets you dispose of the dirt without touching it. And there you have it, the Dyson V15 Detect cordless vacuum cleaner, a cutting-edge cleaning companion that takes the chore out of vacuuming. Say hello to cleaner floors and a healthier home. If you want to make cleaning easier and more efficient, don't hesitate to check out the Dyson V15 Detect cordless vacuum cleaner. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.